¡Es mentira! ¡Es mentira! ¡Es mentira! ¡Es loco! Nada más dime si es mentira que nos enganchamos todo lo que acabe. Que ahora somos el taca...
But tell me, your government, your president has said in no uncertain terms that the Dominican Republic would not allow refugee camps of Haitians, even temporary refugee camps, because of, quote, security and historic reasons. What does that mean, especially the historic reasons? How does that weigh in?
Well, first of all, Lucia, there are only two countries in Latin America that did not achieve their independence from Spain. That is Panama and the Dominican Republic. Our independence happened from Haiti. We declared what we call an ephemeral independence in 1821. And within a month or so, Haitians occupied our side of the island as well. So we were under Haitian occupation for 22 years, from 1822 until 1844, when we declared independence. But then, for the next 12 years, Haitian armies continued to invade the Dominican Republic.
As Haiti's political future hangs in the balance, the neighboring Dominican Republic is cracking down on undocumented Haitians, rounding them up and sending them back to their country.
¿Qué pasó? Que nos tratan como perros.
They treat us like dogs, this man told us after he was released, adding we were detained since yesterday with no food, nothing.
This is the fourth truck that we've seen here in just the past 4 hours. This is a scene that happens every day here at the border.
Earlier in the day, this woman collapsed as she was being taken off an overcrowded immigration truck. Haitian-American Dana Josephs happened to be driving by, put her in the back of his truck, and rushed her to the hospital.
It could be my family, but even though I don't even know her. So this is my car that I have to use just to save her life. I'll do it.
These scenes at the border comes at a moment of desperation for Haiti after a coalition of Haitian stakeholders and international leaders, including the U.S.,
Soy y seré el presidente de todos los dominicanos y dominicanas. De todos. Sin distinción, sin sectarismo y sin colores partidarios. Ese fue y ha sido y será siempre mi compromiso. Trabajar con todos y para todos. El tiempo que hoy comienza nos necesita a todos unidos. Sigamos fortaleciendo juntos todos nuestra democracia y que Dios bendiga siempre al pueblo dominicano. Muchas gracias.